And I bought the glass mouse in the shop on the other side. Glass mouse. Called it Mouse after Mouse. And because their original name for a mouse is called a mouse.
Well, of course. It's the best name for a mouse, isn't it? A mouse. Look at this. Oh my God.
You can have a cat called dog and a dog called a cat. You can have a dog called dog, and you can have a cat called mouse, and a mouse called cat.
Another beautiful bridge, baby. Bridge tours. You can go on a boat tour, rather.
I want to go.
Me here at last on the
I want to
ground,
But if you come into Prague,
you in midair,
Today?
no, so you want to go home now?
the clouds
No, I don't.
Dancing to get home. Oh my God.
isn't it
That
bliss?
burping nightmare. Just pass it.
Don't you approve? One who keeps tearing around, and one who can't move. But where are the clowns? Send in the clowns. Just when I stop opening doors, finally knowing the one that I wanted was yours, making my entrance again with my usual flair. Sure of my lines, no one is there. Don't you love farce? My fault, I fear. I thought that you'd want what I want. Sorry, my dear. But where are the clowns? Quick, send in the clowns. Don't bother, they're here. Isn't it rich? Isn't it queer? Losing my timing this late in my career. But where are the clowns? There ought to be clowns. Well, maybe, just maybe, well, maybe next.